Nothing. And the other one. Hi guys, so in today's video you're going to see the process of me getting micro twists installed on my natural hair. They give off this faux Sister Locs vibe and they are really great for growing our natural hair. They also last a really long time and it's a very versatile protective hairstyle.
Sure, you want to put party?
Just center.
Center party. Mama, please center.
So this is the brand of extensions I use. It's called Rosemary and I bought it in my local market for 2,500 naira a pack. She is just cutting the hair at the back, dividing it and parting it. So the hair is also available at Ebano for 2,750 and someone on TikTok told me they bought it at the wholesale market for 1,900 a pack. I actually went to the supermarket to try out different kinky hair available and touch them, and this one was just the softest out of all the ones I tested, but the expressions one is a lot longer, so I'm definitely going to try that out another time. Have you ever used any of these kinky extensions before? Which one and which one is your favorite? So two braiders did these extensions for me. The one in white is called Kende and the one in blue at the back is her twin sister Taiwo. It actually took a long time, 6.5 hours, which is very long. But like the last type of braids I did, the burgundy knotless ones, only took like 4 hours and it was 5 braiders. I was drinking the most delicious immunity boosting tea with some lemon and honey. Candy was just showing me the first one she had done, asking me if I was fine with the size and the length. She was also showing it to her sister so that they could actually be in sync, but that didn't really work out. And you find out later on in the video. Okay, so some fun facts. This Rosemary extension is actually only available in color 1, which is like what I'm using. It's the darkest black. It also comes in burgundy and color brown, like a number 13. So this hair comes with 5 bundles and then each bundle has 5 bunches of hair tied up in colored ribbon. Each bundle can then be split into 3 or 4 and that's what we did. You can make it a lot thinner as well, but that would have taken so much longer. So I've had this hair in for 3 weeks now and I'm still loving it. The individual twists have actually gotten a bit thicker as the weeks have gone by and it looks a lot like my real hair. Like I often get questions in the supermarket and just at random places like, oh, is this your hair? It looks so good. I love it. So she starts each individual twist with a little bit of some white gel. It's just the basic petal so fine gel that you can get in the market for 100 naira, 200 naira. She starts off by braiding the hair for like the first 1-2 inches and then twisting it, and that's what keeps it secure because my hair is very soft and slippery, and if they started twisting from the get-go it wouldn't last at all. So I ended up keeping these twists in for 3 weeks and 6 days. I actually took them out myself because I just didn't want to go to a salon where they will be rough and they will just cut my hair, and lots of all these salons are now charging 3k 4k to losing braids, but I found one place that they do it for 1.5. So if you're in Lekki and you want the plug, just send me a DM or an email or something. So I loosened these braids over the course of 3 days because the front was so full. Like the back was easy to take out. I was watching you. I would loosen maybe 3 rows per episode or something. But the front, my days, it literally took hours. And next time I'm doing this hairstyle, I wouldn't let the front be as full because to do a center part and pack it, it was just too bulky because the front was so full. So that's just a tip for you. I love that this hair comes with these cute little ribbons. My nanny used them to make a nice headband. I've been getting so many compliments on my skin and I love it. Like I went for an audition the other day, stepped out of my comfort zone. And the casting director said when they were watching back tapes from the audition, she was just in awe of how my skin was glowing and looking so radiant. And it just made me so happy because I actually am very consistent in my skincare routine and I love that it's paying off. I actually have just posted some videos on TikTok reviewing product empties, that is products I've tried over the past few years, and just rating them based on how they performed for me and how effective they were in treating my hyperpigmentation. So the two lines in the center were so she knew where the center part was. She's just using the cutting comb to ensure that the lines are very straight. If you're watching this video, leave a comment and let me know whether your hair is natural or whether you've relaxed or texlaxed it. I've been seeing a lot of videos online of people just saying how they got tired of their natural hair and they relaxed it or texlaxed it. I was yawning because I was so tired of sitting down. I love getting braids done, but the process of sitting down can just be so tiring. And there aren't many braid wigs that actually look realistic. The ones that do look realistic and authentic are just a lot more expensive than one would expect. So yeah, that's the price of beauty. At least doing braids in Lagos is really affordable. That's one of my favorite things about living in Nigeria because it's so easy to change your hairstyle and there's such a wide variety of hairstylists available all over Lagos for different price points. Your eye is still scratching?
The said my eye is red.
Your eye is red?
Yes.
How was school?
Fine.
In the hair shop.
Which hair shop?
You mean
How beautiful does the hair look when it's all done? I really love Sister Locs, especially when it's like a ginger coppery color. I just think they're so beautiful Anyways, you can see what I mean by the front was too full, because there's no way I could pack it with a center part as a ponytail and it would lie flat. It would be bulky. But it's full, Sha.
It's very full. Eh? 3-pack.
Do you use the whole 3-pack?
No, it just remains small.
Ha. Me, I normally swim. That's why.
Okay. It's full. I saw a 4th cut.
I saw a pot cut.
So one reason why I actually did this hairstyle is because I'm currently learning how to swim. My son and I are learning how to swim, and I was asking on social media, what type of braids can I do that wouldn't get too heavy or too rough when I swim, and a lot of people suggested this style because it looks more beautiful as it gets rough. It also doesn't like get wet or heavier after swimming.
I like your hair.
Thank you, Tirani.
Two.
333.
It's green.
Yeah, that's okay. So this is the finished look. I would say it was worth the hours spent sitting down and the time spent doing research, trying to decide what hair would do it best. It's interesting how I actually didn't really take many pictures with this hairstyle. Like, I took pictures for thumbnails. Like, when I film makeup tutorials, I would take like headshots for thumbnails, but I didn't really take many full body or half body shots. So I'm gonna try and change that, because yeah, it's important to take pictures, not just videos. I know video content is what is reigning and trending these days, but I actually started out as a lifestyle blogger, taking pictures on the streets, and I actually miss that. So from now on, I'm going to take more pictures, even with my phone and natural light in my house, because that bangs too.
That's the hair. Yummy. Yummy.
Anyway, you take it looks good, but it's very full. The next step is to dip the twists in water so that they can be soft. Kendi had said that the curlier twists at the back would become straighter when dipped in water, but that didn't really happen. I really wish there were more kid-friendly salons in Lagos so moms could come along with their children. I'm not even asking for a swing and slide, but just a little corner with a kid's table and chair, or some toys for them to play with, or a blackboard for them to scribble on.
Is it hot?
Yes.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
So she cut off the straight ends, put some leave-in conditioner on it, and then dabbed it with a towel that was dipped in hot water. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. Catch you in my next one.